To find email IDs, let's see how to do that. I'm writing one string here. You can apply different strings to find different email IDs. Let's say here I want to find, for example, email IDs of doctors from Delhi. You can write different operations, say gmail.com. Hit and try different strings. See if you're getting any email IDs here on the front page. If you can see some good email IDs out here, go to settings. As you can see, just 10 on first page. Go to search settings, change this to 100. Now here if you see, I have 100 listings on my page 1, wherein I can find some good email IDs as well. If you see here, name, email ID, etc. Now, since I just want email ID, what I'll do is, I want to extract all the email IDs. So what I do is, here if you see, there are 100 listings on page 1 and so on page 2, 3, 4. I select everything, Control A or Command A on Mac. Copy everything, Control C or Command C. And let's go to a tool which will help me extract these emails. That's emailchecker.net. You can check the URL from here. I paste everything which I had copy pasted and I click on extract email. Here if you see, I've got all the email IDs from page 1, and that's how I can collect more and I can maintain a sheet here. So if you see here, in one go I was able to get quite some email IDs, 55 of them, and then you can name your sheet so and so. So here I've got these Gmail IDs. Let's try another one string. I go to Google. I type in site. You can try different sites as well. You can try Facebook as well. Here I'm trying LinkedIn. Event managers. Let's just type in email. Let's check.